Yeah, so the fifth field is the field of, ultimately, the fifth field is God. I mean, ultimately, however you conceive God. And the fifth field is pure awareness. It's the awareness that fills the whole universe. But for, in practice, well, some people do just step back into the God consciousness, but for most of us, we step back into a very crowded field full of our personal ego preferences. And then it's a gradual process of letting those go and stepping back further and further and opening to this feeling of like just tenderness, warmth, and a clear awareness, which in many spiritual traditions is seen as God, or Krishna consciousness, or Christ consciousness, or Mary consciousness, or whatever. So yes, ultimately the fifth field, when it's big and pure enough, is God. But for most of us, when we first start to step back into it, it's a lot of ego. And then the work is to just become aware of the preferences of ego and allow that to release back into the four fields. So yes, I mean, ultimately it is the field of God consciousness or awareness. I mean, the Buddhists don't use that word, but I mean, that's essentially what it is. And we get there by recognizing, by increasing the awareness of our own experience. So it includes our own experience. It includes everything that's in our four fields. That is, all the phenomena that make up our existence. I don't know if that helps.
Thank you. That's really helpful.
Good.